front of me is OPPO A53s, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So first of all, just open your camera app, tap on more icon then, and click on timer. If you click once, you'll have 3 seconds delay, then double tap is for 10 seconds delay, and to switch it off, just mark timer icon for the third time. But let me show you how it works. So for example, if you've got 3 seconds delay, you can grab a picture with 3 seconds delay. So after the countdown, the picture would be grabbed. Then to switch it off, just mark it again and turn the timer off. As you can see, the picture now is grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.